According to Chief Executive Officer Tim Cook, Apple Incorporated plans to use American-made processors from the new advanced chip factory in Phoenix, Arizona. U.S. President Joe Biden announced that TSMC would invest $40 billion in the new factory, where chip companies AMD and Nvidia will also be the first customers. Cook said, "The progress we've made with Apple's silicon has transformed our devices. Thanks to hard work, these chips can be proudly stamped Made in America." TSMC expects the two factories in Arizona to produce more than 600,000 wafers annually by 2026. TSMC reportedly plans to produce 2-nanometer chips by 2025 in its overseas facilities, mainly in Taiwan. TSMC produces the most advanced processors, including the chips in Apple's latest iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Apple has been struggling with issues in the supply chain and the chip shortage amid the pandemic, which is said to have cost the tech a significant $6 billion in sales. U.S. government, as per the CHIPS and Science Act, signed by Biden in August, is a legislative package that contains $52 billion for domestic chip production. Biden said at the event, "These chips will power iPhones and MacBooks," as Tim Cook can attest. Apple had to buy all the advanced chips from overseas. Now we're going to do more of their supply chain here at home. Along with Biden and Cook, TSMC's tool-in ceremony, marking the arrival of production equipment to the first facility, was attended by TSMC founder Morris Chang and Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang, who said TSMC's investment to the U.S. is a masterstroke and a game-changing development for the industry.